what's your name?
Myself Srushti Prasad Ghogre, pursuing BTech first year EXTC.
Rashi Jagtap, pursuing BTech first year EXTC branch.
Myself Sakshi Dakre. I'm in a first year in computer branch.
My name is Mokshika Patil. I'm in a first year in computer science branch.
Aditya Santosh Rani.
Myself Marvin Agarwal.
Myself Sujal Yadav.
My name is Vedant Sonar. I am from first year IT student.
My name is Zoibur Pawar. I am my department IT.
Myself Omkar Shinde, first year IT branch.
Anshul Gaikwad. I am from chemical branch.
Abha from FECom.
Diksha from FEAI. Vaishnavi from FE Computer.
Mrudula from AI.
Karan from FECom.
Lavanya from Chemical.
Gaurangi from FEChem.
So what do you think ECEL is?
I think ECEL means entrepreneurship. Maybe entrepreneurship.
Yeah, maybe same.
So what do you think ECEL does?
ECEL provides mentorship and leaders something. For example,
Mentorship related to what?
for all technical lines, I think.
I feel like it helps you to build your business and to start your own startup. It gives you that kind of guidance and helps you in that thing.
ECEL stand for Interpreneurship Cell.
Interpretation shell.
Okay, so what do you think ECEL does?
Related to business, IIT experts, guide us, something.
ECEL, electric cell,
Electronics.
electronic cell.
It's basically Entrepreneurship Cell. So what do you think ECEL does? Do you know about it?
Not much.
I think it organizes events for students
Events for what?
in a particular area which helps students to excel in their life.
Excel in a life in technical or business? For what?
I think business.
According to me, it's a startup sum which influence students to have their own startup.
Have you ever heard about ECEL?
No.
Do you know what does E in ECEL stands for? Any guesses?
Electronics.
Okay, so our ECEL in E in ECEL stands for entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship.
No idea.
I don't know. I think startup related.
Placements.
I guess something related to finance.
I don't know.
If it's related to entrepreneurship, then मुझे लगता है कि स्टार्टअप्स के लिए मेंटोरशिप करते हैं, तुम मोटिवेट करते हो, मतलब ECEL फिर हमें एक ऐसा चांस देता है अपना आइडियाज़ रखने का, related to finance and business and startups.
Okay, so what do you think if your college life was a movie? What genre it would be?
I think student of the year. Yes.
I think it would be a mix of horror and thriller because it gives you that.
Can you name any movie?
Conjuring maybe.
Like a Bulbulaya movie.
Three Idiots.
Maybe slice of life genre.
I think it could be comedy like Chichore.
According to me, it will be Stree.
Life of a Pi.
तारे ज़मीन पर.
ये जवानी है दीवानी. भूल भुलैया.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Chichore.
Jolly LLB.
12th fail.
Is there any businesswoman or businessman or a startup idea which inspires you the most?
I get inspired by Vinita Gupta, Sugar.
I'm really inspired by Parul Gulati, who is founder of Nishar. I like how creative she is and how she likes to stand out with her ideas, even performing or like showing it on the stage. She really does it really well.
Thank you.
Falguni Nair of Nykaa brand.
Aman Gupta.
There is one startup idea that I have heard of, Nvidia AI, that works on the medical industries
to find medicines or to help patients with AI.
Yeah, both earphone company is great. I think its CEO Aman Gupta really inspires me.
I like the idea of Jeff Bezos, how he created his empire from start.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Aman Gupta.
अनुपम मित्तल,
विनीता सिंह,
सुंदर पिचाई,
Piyush.
हुडा कैटन.
सो एज इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं तो मेरा एक इन्फ्लुएंस है किम टुक, हु इज़ द CEO ऑफ एप्पल कंपनी.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.